You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the Brain Fart channel. Yep, it's time for Brain Fart, but this is a package from China. Yes, my friends. Here on the second channel we do a lot of reviewing of weird stuff from China. Also includes multi-game cards. So I just want to do a recap in 2021. What are we going to get with this 105 one? So if you go to deep dive in multi-game cards for SEGA and some other brands, it's just a freaking jungle. Yep. Everything from China is a freaking jungle, you know, it's like Pandora's boxes, but also with these freaking multi-game cards. So what you're going to get is like a pretty decent multi-game card when it comes to the shell. Yeah, there isn't a lot of difference between the shells, because you're having really cheap ones, but they're improving it, and when I was ordering new of this multi-game card systems, we're going to get, I must say, better results. For example, the menu is not a big positive thing, because look at this. First of all, it's one big mess, no alphabetic order. Everything is just hustled. Like, look at this list. But there are a lot of great games. There are some homebrew games. Donkey Kong 99, that's absolutely a homebrew game. Let's take a closer look. Aladdin, The Incredibles, Pocket Monsters. So this is the problem with this multi-game cards. It's like, what are we going to get? Because sometimes you're going to get an amazing list, alphabetic order, even with some tiny previews, pretty cool. But now we're going to get the basic stuff. Barbie Vacation Adventure, what the hell? Harry Potter 2. Oh man. So this 105 one is not the best one already. I'm just going to point it out because it's just horrible. What a horrible games. And sometimes you're wondering, why are you going to put a game like this on a multi-game card? So maybe the world is people seeing this game, recognizing it as from the childhood, playing this, but when you're going to get yourself a multi-game card, you don't want to have games like these, or correct me if I'm wrong. So take in consideration that these multi-game cards have some issues with Street of Rage number 2. Depends on what region you're living. On the PAL system the sound is completely messed up, and that's something that is just a common problem with these multi-game cards. There was only one 112 and one with a sonic decal at the front. That one didn't have the issues. Just want to quickly point it out, but it's such a bummer that they never fixed it in most of these multi-game cards. Yeah. So the 10501 is not one of my favorite ones, absolutely not, because it has less games than the first editions, and it had a lot of homebrew games and a lot of crappy games that I'm not waiting for. I want to thank you for watching. It would be great to have you here on the Brain Fart channel, so consider subscribing, hit that little bell and become one of the Wicked family. And I will see you in the next video.